Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing DreamMe. In this video, we will show you how to use the L10S Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum properly. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. Robot. Base station. Power cord. Base station ramp extension plate. Cleaning tool. Cleaning solution. Side brush. 2 mop pad. 2 dust bag. User manual. Preparation. Remove the protective film from the base station and choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 5 centimeters on both sides. Connect the power cord. Turn on the switch above the power cord socket. A solid on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Install the base station extension ramp. Remove the protective film from the top cover, the sensors, and the camera, and pull out the robot protective strips. Please ensure that all protective film is removed before use to avoid interference and operational issues. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Install the side brush and mop pad.
Mop pads installed.
Dock the robot. A voice prompt confirms connection and charging started.
Start charging.
Remove the dust tank cover. Pull out the auto detergent compartment on the left side, open the lid of the compartment and fill it with detergent. Please use only official detergent to prevent water clogging. Close the lid, install it back and close the dust collection bin cover. Remove the water tank and fill it with proper amount of tap water at room temperature. Close the lid and install the clean water tank back to the base station. Connect to app. Take out the robot and open the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot, or search DreamMe Home in the App Store. Google Play Store to download the app. Open the DreamMe Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. Please enter the cell phone number and click Get Code if you are registering with cell phone number. Enter the verification code sent to you by DreamMe. Set password for your account. If you use email to register, select your region, enter your email, and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to your mailbox by DreamMe. Set password for your account. In the subsequent login, you can choose to use the phone number login, DreamMe ID login, or the third-party login at the bottom of the page. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Open the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the home page to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface. On app interface. You could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you want the robot to connect to. Follow the guidance on the app and make sure the robot is powered on. Tick the checkbox, then click Next. Press and hold the Start button and Dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds, and when you hear the voice prompt,
Waiting for the network configuration,
tick the checkbox and click Next. Click the button and join the hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot DreamMe Vacuum and connect to it, then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep the robot and phone as close to the router as possible. Wait for the robot to successfully connect to the network and verify the connection result. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi indicator light on the robot will be solid on. After connecting, click Me at the bottom right, and then Settings at the top right. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use Map Settings. Go back to the home page and click Go to the device page. Enter the host page, click the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings page. Click More Functions and enter the Voice and Volume menu. You can switch the voice language and adjust the volume. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. You can choose Start Fast Mapping or just start all cleaning by tapping Clean to build a map. In fast mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. In all cleaning mode, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. On this page, you can edit the map, and the special areas such as furniture, carpet, virtual wall, and no-go zone on the map recognized by the robot. In the map editing page, if you have edited the furniture, you need to turn on the furniture icon in map display to see the furniture display and editing changes in the map. If the auto-generated cleaning sequence doesn't meet your needs, customize it by clicking Cleaning Sequence. If your home has multiple floors, click Multi-Floor Map Management to add a multi-floor map. Multi-floor cleaning feature requires creating an independent map for each floor. Please move the robot to the designated floor when it's in standby state. There's no need to move the base station. Click on Create Map to start cleaning directly or use fast mapping. The robot will create a map of the current floor, then will return to the starting position after mapping is completed. After the map is created successfully, it is recommended to change the map switching method to intelligent recognition. When the floor needs to be cleaned, you can directly move the robot to the current floor and start new cleaning task. The robot will automatically recognize and switch to the current map. After the cleaning task is completed, the robot will return to the starting position. To activate mop pads during the cleaning process, you can manually move the robot back to the base station to trigger the cleaning of the mop pads, then put it back to where it left within 15 minutes to resume cleaning. First time use cleaning settings. Go back to the home page. You can start cleaning directly under Clean Genius mode by default. In this mode, the robot will perform balanced intelligent vacuum and mop cleaning. If you need customized cleaning task, click the Customize button and enter Cleaning Settings menu. In the cleaning mode settings, you can set vacuum only, mop only, vac and mop, or mop after vac modes. You can also set personalized suction and mopping preferences for each area by clicking Customize Room Cleaning. There are more customizable features in the cleaning settings that you can adjust, such as suction power settings and mop humidity settings. Back to the home page of the device, clicking the dock in the bottom right corner. You could set base station function here. Note that noise may occur during high-speed rotation of mopping pads during mop washing. It's normal. Click the upper right ellipsis icon to access more settings. Enter this page to make more settings. This includes the AI-driven Mop Extend setting. You can turn on the AI-driven Mop Extend and set it to different mode. When it is turned on, the host will automatically swing out the mop when cleaning along the edge according to the setting to improve the cleaning coverage. You can also enter the AI Obstacle Avoidance menu and turn it on for improved obstacle avoidance. AI recognition effectiveness improves with usage and software updates. In the Clean Genius mode, the robot automatically lifts the mop and vacuums when encountering carpets. You can also set the carpet cleaning mode as you want in carpet settings. Access real-time camera to enable remote viewing. Quickly press the home button 3 times. Click Settings on the app. Set a 4-digit password. This allows you to use the real-time camera function. In this way, you can remotely view the live recording of cleaning through the camera of the robot. You can click the camera button on the right side of the device's homepage and enter the password to enable this feature. You can also remotely control photo taking, video recording, or recharging. These are the instructions for the first-time use of Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat.